Well, the ridiculous thumbnail game is official on this channel. This is the Computer Programming University, where the first step is to smile. Learning should be fun. So, new project. I've been thinking about this for a while, but I think I'm actually going to do it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to attempt to create one of the most epic Hello World Python programs ever. And what's going to make it epic is, so Hello World is a typical, baseline. You're learning a language, and everyone's familiar with the basic functionality. You build something that basically displays Hello World, right? So it's a standard result that you're looking for. So you just want the syntax of the language in particular that you're learning about, right? But the thing about it is, normally people just do literally a program that just prints Hello World. But what I would like to do is let that be step one. Step two is, let's make it better. Step three, let's make it better. Step four, let's make it better. Step five, I think you get the point. Or maybe you don't. The point is, let's build an organic Hello World. Let's build a not quite machine learning Hello World, but conceptually in a way like machine learning Hello World. What I mean by that is, with machine learning and artificial intelligence technologies, you have the ability for a program to actually morph, to get better, to learn. You start with one thing and you end up with something completely different because, again, the program has the capability of self-learning. Now, although I'm not specifically referring to anything artificial intelligence related, I'm only borrowing the concept of software that has the ability to grow. And in this case, that ability is going to come from us, mostly from myself, but from us. So the idea is, initially just prints out Hello World. The next episode is, let's add to it. Let's do something different. So for example, maybe we start with Hello World, and then the next episode we add something like a quote that says, "Hello World, my name is," I don't know, something else. Just have it do, every episode we make it do something more and more and more and more. And I guess to further illustrate like what I'm trying to do, imagine if the final version is GUI based. It prints out Hello World in 3D with like an animated background and music. Who knows? Maybe it is multilingual, so it can say Hello World in different languages. Maybe it does Hello World as an animation. You know what I mean? So the idea is, what can we do to make this program better and better and better and better and better? What's the point? The point is, I think this could be a great educational tool for you guys, whereas we start with something very simple and then we start making it, more capable. I don't want to say complex, because one of the fundamentals of, software design is that simplicity. You want the program to be simple, easy to maintain, and easy to work with, also light on system resources and things like that. But we want this to sort of grow over time, and I can teach a lot of concepts this way, especially when, rather than, because a lot of times what I'll do is I'll build a program with you guys and it's going to incorporate all different levels of understanding or concepts within Python, right? But instead of doing it that way, if we start with one program and make it better and better and better, every element of that program you guys would have learned about. You were there from the beginning. You were there from when we started with something very simple, and you can watch it grow and grow and grow. And you guys also can make suggestions. Maybe with each video, we, top comment, we'll try to add that feature. So every episode we want to add a feature. So I guess that's put it that way. We'll make it every episode. You guys comment on what feature we should add, but just try to make it progressive. We don't want to go from just printing hello world to something super advanced. We want to do small steps. And the idea would be we'd want to ideally demonstrate a concept in Python. Every episode, something new. So it's not just, don't think of it in terms of, don't get too focused on the program itself, right? Focus more on Python. We are learning and demonstrating Python through this program, but the ultimate purpose and focus is on the learning process. So each feature is essentially a lesson, right? So if we start with just something that prints hello world, then maybe we want to demonstrate user input. So the next version, maybe we could allow you to change the message. So instead of just hello world, the user can actually enter something, and it can say, hello, your name, hello, your country. So that would demonstrate use of, user input and also variables as well. So that's the basic idea. So anyway, that's the goal. I'm going to go ahead and do I don't know if I already have a hello world or not, but if I don't, I'm going to create a hello world right now for episode 1. And then if not, I'll try to produce hello world episode 2. So I'll add a feature to it, and we shall start the process. All right. This is the Computer Programming University. Shout out to my top subscribers, Mega Noob, Nick, and Igor, and everyone else. Hope everyone's having a good holiday, and I'm going to get to my coding right now. So I will see you guys soon. All right, everybody. Be safe. Headbutt.